Hi guys, here's another interesting tutorial for you. This is a very beautiful neckline, okay? Say no to boring necklines and embrace creativity. And this video is well detailed for you to understand. It's a very simple style. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. Hi guys, I want to show us how to cut some necklines. Okay, so this is going to be our neckline series. So I'll be showing us different necklines. Okay, how to cut different necklines. So for this particular one, um, the one I want to show us is how to cut a scallop neckline. Okay, so the first thing to do is to get your um, basic blouse pattern, okay, like this, and you measure 3 by 3. So from here I'll just take 3 inches. I'll measure, this is 3 inches, okay. Then the neck depth will be 3 inches, okay. This will be 3 inches. So next thing I'll do is just to connect a straight line, to connect my curve like this. So I haven't drawn my curve, so next thing I'll do is I'll just cut it out, okay. So I'll simply cut it out like this. So I haven't cut it out. Next thing I'll do is wait. Okay. So I haven't cut it out. Next thing I'll do is from this point, I'm going to make an extension from my neck width. You know, this is the neck width. I'll make an extension of 1 inch, okay. I'll mark it there, 1 inch. I'll mark it. Now from this 1 inch, I'm going to measure down. From this 1 inch, I'll measure down 6.5 inches. This is it. Just measure 6.5 inches like so, okay. So I'm going to draw a straight line like this, but I need to, from this point, from this center front, I'm going to measure 4 inches. Just watch what I will do. I'll measure 4 inches here. So what I'll do next is just to square it like this. Like this. Then from here I'll take it to meet with this point here, this 1 inch mark here, okay, like so, okay. So after doing this, next thing I will do is from this point, okay, I need to mark 1 inch, okay. That's from here I'll take 1.5, okay. From where the width ends, this neck width, where it ends, I'm going to mark 1.5, okay. I'll mark it down. So from here, just take it where the neck width, look at it again. You know, this is the neck width here, okay. So where it ends, mark 1.5, then mark another 1.5. You keep marking 1.5 until you get to this point, okay. So let me do that. This is what they call scallop neckline. So this is 1.5, okay. Then I'll take another 1.5, okay. Then I'll take another 1.5. Then I'll take another 1.5. So this is it. So next thing I'm going to do, you see all these marks, all this 1.5, 1.5 I'm measuring. So I'm going to draw a straight line like so. You come to the next one, you come to the next one, you take it like so. You come to the next one, you take it like so. Then the other one, you take it like so. Okay, so I haven't done it this way. I know you'll be wondering where I'm going with this. Okay, so next thing to do, you see this first line, this line here, I will come in by 1 inch. This is what they call scallop. Mark 1 inch. On this second line, mark 2 inches like so. Okay, on this third line, mark 3 inches. Have you seen it? Okay, so the next thing I'll do, I'll take a curve. I think I'll use this smaller one. Okay, this is one of the oldest curves. So it will go like this. Like so. Okay, so this one will go like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Then this will also go like this. So you just follow the curve like so. So this will just carefully follow the curve like so. Then this one like this. Okay, so that is it. So next thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so I'll cut it out carefully like this. You can even give one more like this, but it's not necessary. Okay, so you carefully cut like this. So you just go with the curve. Okay, like so. Just make sure you carefully cut through like so. Like so. Okay, guys, so can you see this is how to cut your scallop? Look at it, and you see how lovely it is. So let me open it up and let's see how this neckline, beautiful neckline. Okay, dun dun. Can you see how beautiful it is? Okay, so can you see how beautiful the neckline is? This is so lovely. Say no to boring necklines. Okay, it is not compulsory to always use the normal regular neckline like round neck, square necks, all those boring necklines. When you want to make your new dresses or whatever, try and make classy, interesting necklines. Okay, I have more necklines I'm going to show us, but this is the first one. Can you see how beautiful it is? So now after cutting it like this, all you need to do is just to use your nylon. Okay, you just use this to cut out the lining and the main fabric, and all you need to do is just to place it on each other. Okay, you join each other by placing the positive side on each other, and carefully when you are sewing it, you'll be careful. You know it's scalloped, so you just sew gently and go according to the curves. Okay, you just keep going according to the curves, and when you get here, you be careful again and you continue sewing like so. Make sure that it is the neck region you sew first. You turn it with your nylon, okay, so that it will come out perfect. So that's all for this tutorial on how to cut your scallop neckline. Watch out for the next neckline.